going to explain to you guys some quick little things that you can do that you can open up and have access to $185,000 of funding. It's just remarkable, guys. Stay tuned. Welcome everyone, this is Tony Coleman here from Poppa Homes LLC, the YouTube channel where we talk about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe to the videos. Yes, subscribe to the videos. The more subscribers, the more time and effort I got into making more great videos. Also, if you got a moment, leave a comment on all these videos. Even this video here. Hit the bell notification so you can be notified of videos the second they drop on the internet. And also, take a moment to like the video. Now, when it comes to banks in this country here, you got the Chase Bank, you have the Regions Bank, you got Carter Federal, you got Bank of America. You got tons of banks out there that you can go when it comes to setting up a bank account and try to get some type of funding, whether you got a business account or just a personal account. But here, I'm letting you guys know today, that the number one place that you should be setting up your banking today, I mean not tomorrow, but today, is Navy Federal Credit Union. They're the number one credit union bank in the whole entire world here. They work a little different, people. They work a little different. They're very generous. Very generous. I know people who sign up for an account, a week or two later, they was able to get $20,000 from them. I know people who sign up for an account, a couple months later, they've been able to get a credit card for $25,000. Very powerful. How can Navy Federal help you guys? Now, there are many levels. Now, getting to Navy Federal is not as easy as you can't just go to their website, sign up for an account. It doesn't work like that with Navy Federal. You're going to have to know someone that was in the Navy or military or something like that. You got to have a family member, sister, brother, mom and dad, a close relative. If those people are part of Navy Federal, then you can get in. This video really is just not about that. I'm going to make a video about that later. The gist of this video is to let you guys know that if you're able to get into Navy Federal, you can open up funding as much as $185,000. And I'm going to tell you how you're able to pretty much get that type of funding that, like I said, you can use that type of funding to do all types of real estate deals. You can purchase houses and do the whole entire rehab all on one category when it comes to Navy Federal. That is powerful. That's something that everyone should be able to take advantage of. Not only my family, but your family and everyone else. You should take advantage of this. Now, let me start off by saying this. Once you start with Navy Federal, once you join and set up an account, what type of checking account do you need? You want to make sure your checking account that you get from day one is a flagship account. Okay, the flagship account is not like the everyday checking account, because you're going to see both of them. It's going to be an everyday checking account. It's going to be a flagship. You want the flagship, okay? Make sure on day one you get the flagship and fund that thing with whatever you're going to fund, a couple $100, $100, or whatever the case may be. And you want to set up what they call direct deposit. Navy Federal want to see direct deposits coming into that thing, however you're getting paid from your job, whatever the case may be, every weekly, every 2 weekly, or every monthly. If you're a school teacher or something like that, they want to see those monthly payments. They want to see activity going on with that. Next, what you want to do, you want to get a secure card with Navy Federal. They're totally free, secure card. Now, to get a secure card, just go on the website, you can go through the app, you can sign up for it. The minimum is $200 to go on this secure card. But if you can put more, please. I'm going to tell you the reason why. Personally, if you can put $1,000 or $4,000, $5,000, just know this. Whatever money you put on the secure card, they're going to give it right back. It's your money. You still can use it for whatever. They just need that money just to, boom, use your money to put up the secure card. What happens, and I'm a testament to this, on the 91st day, 3 months after you having your secure card, after your third statement, they're going to increase your account 3 times. Yeah. If the numbers are right, they're going to increase your account 3 times. So, if you put $200 in that thing, that secure card, they're going to take you up to $600. You put $1,000 in there, they're going to take you up to $3,000 probably. You put $5,000, they probably can take you up to $15,000. It just depends. That's not a guarantee, but that's what I've been seeing, that they done 2 times or 3 times your money. So do a secure card. Not too many other banks are doing that. That is powerful. That's how you can start playing with money there. If you come in and say, hey, Navy Federal, I got $1,000 secure card, boom, boom, you use it for 3 months. After the 91st day, they will upgrade it. And then after the next 3 months, which is 6 months of having the card, you have an opportunity to move into what they call the cash reward card. Okay, the cash reward card. That's when they take the handcuffs off, turn it into a full-out credit card, and your credit limit can be who knows what. It can be $5,000, it can be $20,000, it can be $25,000, just by using the secure card. Okay, so that's the next thing you do. Another thing you can do is do the pledge loan. The pledge loan is exactly sort of just like the secure card, coming from your savings account. Put $1,000 in there, $500, whatever the case may be, $200, whatever pledge loan you want to do. My recommendation: do more. Same way you use a secure card, you can put on automation where you can pay $25 a week on the thing, or $50 every 2 weeks, whatever the case may be, to show the Navy Federal that you're in the process of using their products and being consistent. Not only that, let's put it all together. Now you being consistent, you also you join Navy Federal, okay? You got the secure card going at the same time, and you got the pledge loan going at the same time. Remember, you don't want to have a everyday checking account. You want to have a flagship account. Okay, you got all these things working in your favor. So the pledge loan works the same. Once the pledge loan is almost paid off, you can refinance, as the case may be. They're going to give you even more line of credit. Okay, so those are the things you want to do initially, the first 6 months with Navy Federal. Okay, so how do we get to $180,000? After that first 6 months, you have pretty much showed Navy Federal that you are trustworthy. You're looking to do business with them. You're looking to use their products. You're looking to go all out. Now you can start going after the personal loans out there, the auto loans, the property loans. All right, guys. So here's the thing. Some of those max out, like personal loans, can max out anywhere from $50,000 to $80,000, easy. Even the let's say, for instance, that you want to get a loan to rehab your house or update your kitchen or something. Those still fall underneath personal loans, but they're going to have it reworded as a renovation type loans. Here's the thing, guys. With Navy Federal, most of these loans are no docs. Hear me again. Let me say this again. There are no docs. You pretty much call in and give them all your information, from how much you make per month, how much money you need. They're going to run your credit. No docs that you usually have to send in. They're going to approve you or disapprove you. So be as truthful as possible and see, can you get funding. So, but they're going to go out for your relationship that you have been with them. This is why I tell people your credit profile can be a 600 or 650 or even less. But if you build up that credibility with them for the past 6 months, okay, and you doing the pledge loan, you're doing the secure card, then once you apply for that personal loan, on top of the income that you got coming in from your job, with no docs. Remember, guys, I keep telling you this. No docs. You don't have to send in the paycheck stubs. You don't have to send those things in to verify things. So you have an opportunity to get anywhere from $50,000, $80,000 of all types of loans. So they got the renovation loans that you can get. You can get auto loans. all these types of things up to $180,000. This is the beauty of Neighbor Federal. This is the reason why I'm telling people, whatever bank you're dealing with, you can stay with them, but add Neighbor Federal to your banking as of now. I wish I knew this years ago, but hey, better now than never. But take advantage of it, guys, because those secured cards, those pledge loans, they have tons of things out there for you guys to take advantage of it. This video here will just probably give you guys an overview on what Neighbor Federal can do for you, how it can unlock funding up to $180,000. But I'm going to be doing more videos. This is the reason why I want you to subscribe here to the channel, leave comments, and like it, and hit the bell notification. I'm going to be doing more videos where we're going to dig deep down into the secured cards, dig deep down into the pledge loan, exactly how to set these things up, exactly how to stay consistent so you can get the credit increases. Because once you have a cash reward card with them after the 6 months, they may give you $10,000. Hey, you probably can call in 2 weeks later and say, hey, I'm renovating my kitchen here. Can I get an increase? They might say how much you want, and you might say, hey, what's the max? They may give you the max, or they may give you an extra $5,000, $6,000, $8,000. But it's all about being consistent. Neighbor Federal is awesome credit union. Take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage of it. All you gotta do is go to their website, sign up, get a family member or someone who's in the military, and they will give you the access code, and bingo, you will become a member. You guys have a great day. Think about this. We're all about turning our credit into wealth. And Neighbor Federal is the place to go to help you with that. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.